snow over parts of the North Yorkshire moors. But tonight, not snow, but frost, ice and freezing fog patches are going to cause problems. Already this evening, the frost is beginning to take a hold, and there are areas around Manchester, Glasgow and Belfast in particular that have fog already. With high pressure, meaning clear skies, well, the conditions are only set to deteriorate later on in the night across much of the country. Later on, we will begin to see some cloud rolling in towards the west of Northern Ireland and the far northwest of Scotland. So the mist and fog may be at its worst earlier on in the night in these areas, but for most other regions, that mist and fog, freezing fog patches really getting going and taking a hold with some quite treacherous conditions in places. Just a few passing showers around the east coast of England there, and inland that widespread and sharp frost. Away from the coast, temperatures in England and Wales locally down to -5, as low as -6 to -10 in parts of Scotland. A cold one, and that will last through tomorrow. The high pressure very reluctant to move away, these weather fronts just sliding around the northern extremity of it. So it does mean that for many areas it's going to be a very cold, frosty and quite foggy start, with some quite dangerous conditions around first thing in the morning. In some areas, much like today, that fog is not really want to clear away at all. Probably parts of northern England down through central regions and into East Wales may well stay foggy throughout the day and therefore very cold. Other regions seeing some rather weak wintry sunshine beginning to slowly struggle through. Just a few showers becoming restricted towards the far southeast coast there. And during the day, the cloud increasing across Northern Ireland and the northwest of Scotland. The really wet weather just moving into the northwest of Scotland, I think, along with some stronger winds. But the mist clearing across Northern Ireland and later on through in towards the south and east of Scotland. Where the fog sticks, though, as well as in the mountainous regions from the Pennines into Scotland, it will stay cold, around freezing, pretty chilly elsewhere, with the wind strengthening across the far north, and we're going to have poor air quality in many areas too. Looking ahead, the high pressure only slowly slipping away. It will make these weather fronts hesitate. So on Friday, the cold, foggy, frosty weather down in the south, the milder weather with cloud and rain slowly moving in.